Welcome to Mulholland Brand, Southern California's residential perimeter beauty and security expert since 1994. We specialize in transforming homes into elegant, secure sanctuaries with our premium aluminum gates, fences, railings, pergolas, and more. What sets Mulholland Brand apart? Every product is designed, manufactured, and installed by us. No subcontractors, no shortcuts. From our facility in Canoga Park, California, we create custom powder-coated aluminum solutions built to stand the test of time. Our expertise shines in challenging environments. Whether it's crafting gates for steep hillside terrains or installing fencing that endures the salty ocean air, our innovative designs and precision engineering ensure beauty and durability in every setting. Don't just take our word for it. With hundreds of glowing reviews and an average rating of over 4.5 stars across Google, Angie's List, and Yelp, our customers trust us to deliver exceptional results every time. No matter your home's architectural style, Mulholland Brand has the perfect solution. Our range of designs and custom fabrication options ensure that every product complements your property's unique character. From start to finish, our team works closely with you to bring your vision to life. And with powder-coated aluminum, you'll enjoy minimal maintenance and long-lasting beauty. Just an occasional cleaning keeps it looking like new. For custom gates, fences, railings, pergolas, and more, trust Mulholland Brand, where beauty meets security and craftsmanship meets innovation.